Other things, allowing provision of local currency products, very important in these type of investments as well, addressing lack of equity in some of the markets, or using innovative and unconventional mechanisms in specific markets, and even the creation of new products, like in the case of our support in Turkey with the commercial institutions, helping them create markets and offer new products. So we have been doing this really with the view of crowding in commercial investors. The way we expect to measure success is really by these investments happening without having the need for CIF type of support. But it will take some time, and in certain technologies it will require a level of support for a little bit longer than in other technologies, some markets more than others. But in the end, what we expect is that these type of investments become commercial and the markets pick up. A measure of success for us as well is that we have been using this limited public finance, as I said, to unlock private sector investments. And our leverage ratios are estimated to be 1:8. So $1 of CIF resources leverage $8 more of other financiers, and that's very important because that's precisely the intent. The challenge is very big. What we have been seeing is that by demonstrating opening up markets, supporting these type of investments, now we start to see a lot of demand from within the same countries or other countries. So there's big demand. We are short of finance to be supporting all of this demand, and we have to basically raise our collective level of ambition, and this is the year to demonstrate clearly a signal that we will do so. So clearly for me the message is that these investments are possible in these markets. When we started there was a lot of skepticism about whether these would be renewable energy and energy efficiency investments would be viable investments in these emerging markets and low-income countries. And we are demonstrating that with the right level of support, with the right structures, with the right engagement, these investments are possible. We are starting to see transformation scale, and the objective is here today to share with you some of those examples of what can be done, what's being done. We are not talking about abstract ideas anymore. Here we are talking about concrete projects that are happening on the ground with tangible results. We are learning lessons, obviously, of things that work, things that don't work, but that's precisely one of the objectives. So I very much look forward to hearing the panel members, to a very interesting discussion, which I'm sure we will have. We were just having one before we came here, and I hope that you can draw a lot from what you'll hear here today. Thank you.